Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, September 29th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame. So on the Euro dollar monthly, I still think this move up is a part of a trend, and I still think it's going to end up doing something like that, probably making a nice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, most likely going up and taking out these highs. So let's keep that in mind. Let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame is where you can see what I do believe is a wave 1 right here. That's a trend for the wave 1. I do believe, especially looking at the dollar index, that this is all an A, B, C, D, E correction, probably all part of a wave 2. We are very close to bouncing out to 38%, which does seem like a very likely area to possibly end a wave 3, make a wave 4, and eventually make a wave 5. So let's take it right down to that daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, we definitely have a very strong move to the upside, as you can see. It didn't quite hit a fib level, and it definitely has not broken any structure to the upside yet. So for me personally, I cannot say for sure that this is over. It very easily could be another correction. It very easily could make 3 waves up and end up going down one more time, which I do think is still pretty likely. Maybe even end up being like a 3, a 4, and a wave 5. So let's keep going down to that 4 hour time frame. So on the 4 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on here. Until price goes up and breaks this high right here, I'm still looking at this move as possibly a correction, but that doesn't mean that we can't be looking for longs. And if it does end up being the continuation of the uptrend, then we can go long at the end of this next correction. And if it goes up and breaks this high, we'll know that the trend is over on the daily, and that we can hold these long positions and maybe even build another long position to the upside. But like I said, until it breaks that high, I am for sure looking at this as possibly a correction. I still think there is a possibility that it could make another A, B, C, make another lower high, bounce off a fib level, and end up continuing back down, possibly a wave 3, a wave 4, and a wave 5. So let's take a look at that on the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, very strong uptrend. It looks like a 1, 2, 3, so I don't even really think it's over yet. It's probably eventually going to make a 3, 4, 5, and most likely this is all part of a wave A or part of a wave 1. Eventually we should get a correction, which would either be a wave B or a wave 2, and I would like to see another push up, either bounce off a fib level, proving that it's a wave C, or just continue up and break that daily structure I was showing on the 4 hour and daily time frame to prove that it really is a 1, 2, 3 and not an ABC. So either way, I definitely think that on these shorter time frames, like the 4 hour and under, I would be looking for longs in an uptrend. But until it breaks that daily time frame structure, I am still looking at this as possibly a correction and possibly ending another ABC and continuing the downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.